So here, as I discussed, like we are going to go with problem. So now today we are going to do IRR. In the previous method, I have told you like when the cash inflows are going to be equal for all the years. And today we are going to do wherein the cash inflows are unequal. So in the case of unequal, how we are going to do it, and as well as we are going in the previous class, we have seen wherein they didn't mention whether it is after tax or before tax. So in such case, I said we will assume what we require. Means if he doesn't mention us whether it is after or before, then I will assume it is after tax only. After tax with addition to the depreciation only. So today we are going to go with one kind of a problem wherein he has mentioned us that it is before tax and now we have to convert according to our requirement. So what is the information first he has given is investments, which is around 2 lakhs. And then the other information he has given is said to calculate the depreciation of 20%. Then the other information he has given, the tax percentage is equal to 50%. So this is the basic information. So he is providing us what? He is asking us to calculate the depreciation as well as the tax. So now it is clear that whatever the cash inflows he has given, it is before tax itself. So how he has given that we are going to see. He gave a year and then he has given cash inflows. So we will assume those are to be before. So first year, the cash inflow he has given is 80,000 and second year he has given is again 80,000 and third year the amount is 90 and the fourth year is again 90 and the fifth year it is 83,000. So this is what I'll assume that it is before tax. So we are going to assume because whether he mentions or not, once he has provided a new information as depreciation at 10 for 20% and the tax at 50%, then it is clear whether he mentions or not. I have to assume these to be PBT, means profit before tax. So that means I need to find out now profit after tax. I have to convert it. When I say a profit after tax, first the tax will be the last kind of a deduction. That means before a tax, I need to deduct a depreciation. So depreciation 20% on what we are going to calculate. So first I'm going to start with the step. So here so depreciation he said 20%. So depreciation usually calculated on the investment. So that is we give 2 lakhs into 20%. So therefore, it is equal to 40,000. Sorry, 4,000. So 4,000 is our depreciation. So usually what happens when he is giving us any kind of amount, we need to be a little bit careful about it. 1 second, let me calculate how much. Sorry, 2 lakhs, no, I'm thinking it is 20,000. So 40,000 is our depreciation. So on 2 lakhs, 20% is 40,000. So here, when he is giving us the depreciation, we have to see is it a straight line method or a written down value method. No? Now here it is straight line method because nothing he has mentioned means I'll assume it is to be straight line method. But if he says the written down value method, on 2 lakhs, the percentage is 20. So the depreciation comes in the first year is 40,000. Again in the next year, what I'll do? From the 2 lakhs, last year depreciation I'll minus it. So I'll be left over with the asset how much? 1 lakh 60. On 1 lakh 60, again a 20 I will calculate. So that will be around 32,000. Again, from the 1 lakh 60 in the third year, I'll minus 32,000. It will be around 1 lakh 24,000. On that again when I calculate. So in this manner, we need to go what is the kind of a depreciation he's asking. So based upon that, we will have a calculation. So here now depreciation first I have calculated at the rate of 20%. So 20%. Now when I'm calculating, so I got here I'm taking it as a 40,000 for all the years I said. So 40,000 because I'm assuming it is to be a straight line method I said. And the 40,000. So when I minus the 40,000, now it is what? The cash flows. Profit before tax is equal to. You are going to minus it step by step. So this is one. We have got it. Now here I'm going to get it in a step. Now let us assume this to be a 1. So this step I'm assuming it is 1. This step I'm assuming it is 2. And this I'm assuming it is to be 3. This step I'm assuming it to be 3. So now how I'm going to get it? This one profit before tax, that is the second step minus third step. I'm going to get EB. So first one 80,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 40,000. Then again it is 40,000. Then it is going to be 50. Again it is going to be 50. And the last one it is going to be 43,000. Now I got this one. Now I need to minus what? A tax. So how much here he has given a tax percentage? He gave a tax percentage for us around 50%. So tax percentage is equal to 50%, which I will calculate on my fourth step. So which is on my fourth. So this is my fourth step now. So which on my fourth step I'm going to calculate it. So 40,000. Now here 40,000 into 50% it is going to be 20. Again here it is going to be 20. Here it is going to be 25,000. And then it is going to be 21,500 I think. So 21,500 I got it. Now it has become what? PAT. So PAT. Now PAT is equal to how much? PAT is equal to this if I'm assuming it is to be my fifth step, then PAT is equal to my step starts as 4 minus 5. So it will be the same because it is a 50% tax, so it will be the same. So that is 20,000, 20, 25, 25, 21,500. So done. And the next, the last one is what? Now, once I got a PAT, now for us, whenever we are into the modern kind of a technique, I said it is going to be CFATD. So, CFATD means cash flows after tax, but the depreciation has to be added back. So, how I'm going to get this one? I'm going to get this step by adding. Now, let us assume this to be a sixth step means sixth plus third. Sixth step plus third step is equal to be my answer. So if these one are assuming it is to be a sixth step. So sixth step plus the third step. This is the one. Now I'm going to add this one and I'm going to find it out. So how much? 20 plus 40 is equal to 60,000. Then again it is 60. Then it is going to be 65,000. 65,000 and the next one is 61,500. This is how I got it. So this is my CFATD. So this is the first part which we have to do. If in the problem he is mentioning as a depreciation and a tax percentage, then our basic step is going to have this many lines we need to do it. And then afterwards, we are going to begin with the actual sum. So this is just, we can say it as we are getting the figures into a proper picture. So this is the one which is giving us a proper picture. Now this proper picture, I'm going to use it based upon the requirement he has asked us. So what he is asking, if he is asking a payback period, the first method. Then what we'll do now? Already you have got this is the cash flow. So these cash flows will go with the cumulative cash flow we are going to find out and then we'll find out the payback period. Then if he is asking us the net present value, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for multiplying with the present factor, whatever he has given. So now I'm underlining this one. So our basic step is completed. Now this one I'm keeping aside. Now I'll start with as we are doing a IRR. So for IRR, already I have told you one we need what? One we need a negative and one we need a positive. So here as usual I'll start with here. Then I'm going to go with CFATD. And then I'm going to go with discounting factor. So here I need a discounting factor compulsory. So first we are going to go at the rate of 10% only because that we assume it is to be a ideological way of doing it. So here my first year, how much I got first year? 60. Then second year is also same 60. Then third year it's 65,000. Then fourth year 65,000. Then fifth year 61,500. So now I got it. Now based upon this one, I'll go with the first ideological discounting factor is the 10%, which is commonly everyone are going to do it and everyone are going to ask it. So that is what we are using here also. So usually we expect that whatever he gave a first discounting factor, that definitely gives us a positive only. So the positive values only we are going to expect. So first I'm going to go for taking out discounting factor at a 10% for first 5 years. So first is 0.909. Then second year 0.826. Third year 0.751. Fourth year 0.683. So this one we are going to have a separate table. So you are going to get it. And if by mistake you don't have a table, then very simple it is. We are going to find out using very simple trick, that is when we are not given with the discounting table values. So how much percentage you are doing? So you are going to find out year wise as 1 divided by how much is the discounting factor? 1.10. So this point, after point, 1 by 1 will be there, but after point, whatever the discounting factor we is giving, that we are going to write down. So 1 divided by 1.10 means 10%. So that is going to give you the answer as 0.909. Okay, fine. Now this one, I want to go for applying it for the next year. So for the next year, how I am going to apply? So then I am going to take it as the same, but this time 0.909 divided by 1.16. Then we will get the answer as this one. That is 0.826. So this is how is the trick you are going to find out. So first year, under a 10% of discounting factor, the value is 0.909. And for the second year, it is like that. So this is the way. If you doesn't have a table with you, if you have a table, it is well and good. If you don't have a table, this is the trick you are going to use. So if it is a 10%, I said 1 by 1.10 you said. And if it is in a single digit number, then how we are going to do it? In a single digit number, 1 divided by 1 point, as it is a single digit, so we'll add 0, 5, 0, 8. Hopefully it is clear for you. So now we'll start with this one. So now my present values is equal to, we are going to multiply each and everything. So I'll use my calculator again. So here 909 into 60,000. So when I do it, I got the first value to be 54,540. So 54,540 I got. 54,540 is my first answer. And then when I multiplied 60,000, again I'll use my calculator. So now 60,000 into 0.826. When I multiply, I'm going to get 49,560. So my next answer is 49,560. And the next one, 65 into, I need to multiply now. So 65 into. So here the next one, 0.751 into 65,000. So is equal to 48,815. We got it. So 48,815 is the next answer. And then I'm going to use a one more, that is 65 into. So 65 into 0.683. So when I multiply it, I got the answer as 44,395. So next answer is 44,395. And the last one, we'll find it out, multiply 61 into. So again, I'll use my calculator. So here, 61,500 into 0.621. So my answer is equal to 38,192. After point I got a 5, so I'm converting as a 1 into 2. 38,192. 38,192 I'm converting it. So this is how we have got all the values. So now I'm going to total it because I want to know, no, is it my investment is 2 lakhs? Is it above 2 lakhs or a below 2 lakhs? So usually when you have to do a IRR, it is must that you should have one to be a positive, one to be a negative. So that is what I'm going to check it out. Do I got a positive value or a negative value? So for this one, again, I'm going to go for adding 54,540 plus 49,560 plus 48,815 plus 44,395 plus 38,192. So my answer is equal to 2,35,502. Yeah, it's big amount, so it is positive amount also. So 2,35,502. 2,35,502 is the answer I got. So somewhere it is 35,000 above my value is there. So if I want to know about my NPV, so I said NPV is equal to how we are going to calculate? We'll simply minus from the investment. So here I'll go with minusing minus investments, which is 2 lakhs. Then I'll get my NPV to be 35,502. So this is how I got it, so which is far more amount. So now one positive, so I got it. Now I need a negative. So very simple trick. We can't go for going on multiplying with each and every discounting factor, no? So that is the reason what we can do using a trick is for every 2 points, if there is a change, there can be a difference of minimum 4 to 5,000. So like that, you have to decide and slowly you have to plan accordingly. So now what I'm doing, rather than going for 12, 14, 15, 16, because I know it, every discounting factor when I'm changing, it is going to change around the 3 to 4,000. But I need a negative which is around difference of 35,000. So why not I go with directly at a 20, 20. So let's try at a 20 percentage. So when I'm going with 20%, somewhere I doubt still I may get the same a positive, but still let me try. So at a discounting factor of 20%, I'm trying to find out. So at a discounting factor of 20%, my values are 0.833. So now how I'm going to get this one? 1 by 1.20. So 0.694. And the next one 0.579. Then 0.483. Then 0.402. So now I have taken a discounted factor of 20% values. Now simply I'll go for multiplying again 60,000 into and all. So here again I'll say this is my PV values. Now I'm going to go with multiplying the thing. So again I'll start using my calculator. So first one 60,000 into 0.833 is equal to 49,980. I got it. The first one I got is 49,980. This is my first one. Now second one, again I'm going to use my calculator. So which is again 60,000 into 0.694. So when I multiplied it, I got 41,640. The second one I got is 41,640. This is my next value. Now I'll multiply with my third figure, which is 65,000 into 0.579. So which I got is 37,635. 37,635. So 37,635. 35. This is the value I got it. Now I'll go with multiplying with my fourth figure, that is again 65,000 into 0.483. So when I multiplied it, I got 31,395. 31,395. Then I'll go with one more figure, last one, which is 61,500 into 0.402, which is equal to 24,723. 24,723. 723. So now I got this figure. So why not we'll try again with the same procedure by adding all the things and see whether we are at least getting a negative figure for this one or not. Okay, I hope we have to get it, but still it's a hope. Let's try. So again I'm using my calculator. So here first one 4980, then plus 41,640 plus 37,635, 35, sorry, plus 31,395 plus 24,723. So when I have calculated, my answer is 1,85,373. Yeah, good. So one negative factor, we got it at 20%. 185,373. So I got my answer. 185,373. 373. I got it. That means when I minus with my this one, then it is going to be how much more? 2 lakhs minus 185,373 is equal to 14,627. So we are going to get 14,627. Yeah. So, and this is what we got a negative figure. We got a negative. So that means we can solve easily with our values. So this is what we got. I got a negative figure. Now I can apply my IRR. So as explained in the earlier class itself, the IRR we are going to have a formula. So what is that formula? We are going to get into the next page. So before what I'll do, I'll take things into consideration. So what is that? First I got my positive negative factor. So I need a basic information. That basic information we are going to take here and so that we can apply directly. So first one I got positive positive PV is equal to what we got positive NPV 2,35,5 not 2,35,5 not 6. And then I got a negative PV is equal to 185,373. So this is what we got it. And then this one we got at which percent now? With this one we got at a 10% discounting factor, and whereas this one we got at a 20% discount factor. So this is our positive discount factor. This one will say what? This one we will say as a positive discount factor, and this one we are going to say as negative discount factor. So this is the information we have got it, and then what else we are going to take from ourselves? Yeah, NPV is positive NPV and negative NPV. It doesn't require. So we'll start getting into the applying the formula. So therefore, IRR is equal to IRR is equal to positive discounting factor plus, now underline this one, the formula, plus positive PV minus investments divided by positive PV minus negative PV. Then again multiply with negative discount factor minus positive discount factor. This one let me put into the bracket again so that it should not be confused. So this one I'm putting in a bracket. So hope this is clear for you people. Now simply we are going to apply the formula. So what is that first one? Positive discount factor. We got a positive PV at which percentage? We got it at 10%. So my answer begins with a 10% plus. Again, I'm going to underline it. Have a calculator in front of you. So positive NPV, how much we got? And positive PV, I got 2,35,502 minus investment is how much? 2 lakhs. Then divided by same 2,35,502 minus 185,373. Negative you said no, so that is what. And then multiplied with bracket within negative is what? 20 minus 10. That's it. Negative discount factor is 20 and the positive discounting factor is 10. So we got this one answer. Now simply start simplifying it. 10% plus. Again, underline it. That is 35,502. Because when we divide it, we are going to get 16. And for this one, I need to use my calculator again. That is 3,35,502 minus 185,373, which is equal to 5129 itself. So 5129 is the answer. And into 10, because 20 minus 10 is equal to again a 10. Now we are going to divide it and find out what is the answer. So 35,502 divided by 5129. So answer is equal to 0.708 is there. So I can make it as a 0.71. So that is what I'm making here. 10 plus 0.71 I'm making into 10 into 10. So when I multiply into 10, it is going to be how much more? Now 10 plus 7.1 will be the answer. So 7.1 will be the answer. Therefore, my IRR is equal to 17.1 is the answer. This is our answer. I hope it is very clear for you people. So our answer is what? Our answer is 17.1 is our answer. So this is what the IRR method is going to be. So this is the way we are going to find out. So these the main steps we are going to see. This part will be the main part. So once this part is going to be done, these applications and solvations is going to be easy for you. So remember, for IRR it is very important. One should be the positive and the other one should be the negative. If one positive, one negative we have, then only we can actually solve the IRR method. If it is not, then we cannot solve the thing. So hope it is clear for you people. So try this IRR method. So this formula is also hope it is very clear for you people. So this is a formula by heart it. So see you in the next class with one more topic.